In this video we'll just talk about the new firmware update for the Panasonic GH6. So it's the first update to come to the camera, and it's not the one a lot of people were waiting for. It's not the SSD support for recording. It's just a patch. So if we come into the downloads page, I'll link this in the description. You can see the top one, DC GH6. So we've got our first update here, and you can see this is sort of the day of recording, 16th. So if we jump into that, I'll just bring that into the screen. You'll be able to see here what the improvements are for it. So it's essentially just a patch for the high resolution mode, where people were seeing issues with colours in some cases. So it's if you're just using the camera for video, then you may just wait for the next download. But I think I'll be downloading this one anyway, just because I'm testing all the features on the camera at the minute. So I'll be grabbing this one as well. I think it's worth doing, just grabbing all the patches as they come out. But yeah, if you download it and you just want to work out sort of how to get it on your camera, there's a firmware update video linked to this one. So yeah, hopefully you can get it all sorted through there.